In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to Wix without code. If you want to build trust with visitors and make your website look more credible, adding Google reviews is a great option. The good news is that Wix makes this process very simple, and you do not need any coding experience to get started. Everything can be done directly from your Wix dashboard in just a few clicks. To begin, go to your site dashboard in Wix. This is the main control area where you manage your website settings, design, apps, and content. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You will see a menu with different options for managing your site. From that left side menu, click on Apps. This section is where Wix allows you to add extra features and tools to your website without needing to build anything manually. It is especially useful when you want to expand what your site can do, such as showing customer reviews, adding booking tools, or connecting outside services. After you open the Apps section, click on App Market. This will take you to the marketplace where Wix lists the apps that can be installed on your site. Think of this as the library of add-ons for your website. You can browse here, but since you already know what you need, the fastest option is to use the search feature. In the App Market, search for Google Reviews. As you type, relevant app results should appear. Look for the app that matches what you want, then click on it to open the app page. This page usually gives you a preview of what the app does and how it can appear on your website, which can help you confirm that you are selecting the right one. Once you are on the app page, click Add to Site. Wix will then begin installing the app onto your website. This part usually only takes a moment. After the installation is complete, the app will be added to your site so you can begin using it. That's all you need to do to install a Google Reviews app on Wix without code. If you are following along, just take it one click at a time from the dashboard to Apps to App Market, then search for Google Reviews, click the app, and add it to your site. It's a quick setup that can make a big difference in how trustworthy and polished your website feels.